Initiating left bank. Throttle set. Systems are green.
Welcome to the legendary Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. Speed and power. The SR-71 Blackbird isn't just any jet, it's a legend of the skies. This beauty can reach a top speed of over Mach 3.2, which is more than 2,500 miles per hour, faster than anything in the sky today. With two Pratt Whitney J58 engines pushing it, this jet was built to soar above 85,000 feet. At that altitude, it's not just fast, it's untouchable. Every detail of its design screams precision. Sleek black titanium body, radar-absorbing stealth paint, and engineering that makes it one of the most coveted jets by billionaires and governments alike. Step closer, and you'll see the SR-71 isn't just about speed, it's about presence. Its elongated fuselage, sharp nose, and unique twin-engine pods aren't just futuristic. They're functional, slicing through the air with minimal drag. Inside, the cockpit is a pilot's dream. 2 seats for the pilot and reconnaissance systems officer, a cockpit filled with advanced avionics, and a control layout designed for precision at hypersonic speeds. It's minimalistic luxury with a mission-driven purpose. Why do collectors and the ultra-rich desire this jet? Because it's not just a plane, it's a statement. The SR-71 Blackbird represents unmatched power, exclusivity, and engineering brilliance. Flying this aircraft isn't just about speed, it's about owning a piece of history that only a few in the world will ever experience. From record-breaking reconnaissance missions during the Cold War to becoming the ultimate status symbol today, the Blackbird is timeless. So what does it cost to own a piece of Skyspeed legend? The 2026 SR-71 Blackbird starts at a jaw-dropping $35 million, making it one of the most exclusive jets on the planet. Hit like if you'd take it for a spin, and don't forget to subscribe for more insane luxury machines that push the limits of speed and style.